Hello and welcome to this video on how to make your business grow. Whether you're just starting out or you've been in business for a while, there are always ways to improve and expand your business. In this video, we'll be sharing some tips and strategies to help you grow your business. Define your target market. The first step in growing your business is to define your target market. Who are you trying to reach? What are their needs and wants? By understanding your target market, you can tailor your marketing efforts to appeal to them specifically. This will help you attract more customers and increase your sales. Let's say you run a small coffee shop in a trendy neighborhood. You may initially think that your target market is simply coffee drinkers. However, by digging deeper, you can identify a more specific target market. To define your target market, you might ask yourself questions like, who is most likely to visit my coffee shop? What are their demographics, age, gender, income, etc.? What are their interests and values? What problem does my coffee shop solve for them? 2. Build a strong online presence in today's digital age. Having a strong online presence is crucial for any business. Make sure your website is up to date and user-friendly, and that your social media profiles are active and engaging. Use digital marketing strategies like search engine optimization, SEO, and pay-per-click advertising, PPC, to increase your visibility online. 3. Use digital marketing strategies like search engine optimization, SEO, and pay-per-click advertising, PPC, to increase your visibility online. 4. What sets your business apart from the competition? Your unique selling proposition, USP, should be something that differentiates you from other businesses in your industry. It could be your product or service, your pricing, your customer service, or something else entirely. Whatever it is, make sure it's clear to your customers and that you're consistently delivering on your promise. 5. Offer exceptional customer service. Customer service can make or break a business. Make sure your employees are trained to provide exceptional customer service at all times. Respond promptly to customer inquiries and complaints, and go above and beyond to meet their needs. Happy customers are more likely to refer others to your business and become repeat customers themselves. 6. Collaborate with other businesses. Collaborating with other businesses can help you expand your reach and attract new customers. Look for complementary businesses that you can partner with, and offer cross-promotions or joint events. This can help you tap into new markets and gain exposure to new audiences. 7. Focus on employee development. Your employees are a valuable asset to your business. Invest in their development by providing training and growth opportunities. This can help them feel valued and motivated, and can lead to higher job satisfaction and productivity. A happy and motivated team can help you achieve your business goals more efficiently. 8. Monitor your progress and adjust accordingly. Finally, it's important to monitor your progress and adjust your strategies accordingly. Use metrics like sales data and customer feedback to evaluate your performance, and make changes as needed. Continuously analyzing and improving your business will help you stay competitive and grow over time. A business takes time and effort, but by following these tips and strategies, you can increase your chances of success. Remember to focus on your target market, build a strong online presence, offer exceptional customer service, collaborate with other businesses. Invest in employee development, and monitor your progress. With dedication and hard work, your business can reach new heights. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it informative or entertaining. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel for more content like this. If you have any questions or comments about what you've seen, feel free to leave them down below.